Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rutuja Chauhan. I'm a plastic surgeon attached to Vrindavan Hospital. Today I want to talk about something that's becoming a huge topic of discussion, that is surgical versus non-surgical aesthetic treatments. Today patients come to us asking, Doctor, should we go for Botox, fillers or surgery? Honestly, it's a great question, but the answer is not same for everyone. It depends on patients' concerns, their significance, patients' expectations, desired outcomes, their overall health, skin condition, and the willingness to commit to ongoing treatments. आजकल सोशल मीडिया बिफोर और आफ्टर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से भरा पड़ा है और कंफ्यूजन इधर से ही शुरू होती है. पीपल सी क्विक रिजल्ट्स और उनको लगता है कि सारे ही ट्रीटमेंट सेफ और इफ़ेक्टिव हैं, लेकिन जो ट्रीटमेंट एक पेशेंट के लिए सही है वो शायद दूसरे पेशेंट के लिए सही ना हो. इसलिए कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट डिसाइड करने के पहले सर्जिकल या नॉन सर्जिकल, it is important to understand what your body actually needs, what are your expectations, and how long you want the results to last. पहले नॉन सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे बोटॉक्स, फिलर्स, लेजर्स, केमिकल पील्स, थ्रेड लिफ्ट्स. These are great options if you want minor improvements like a better texture to the skin, fewer wrinkles, smoother skin without much downtime. The results appear quickly, लेकिन duration of results जो treatment आप ले रहे हो उस हिसाब से अलग अलग होता है. They refresh your appearance, but it is important to remember that they are maintenance based procedures. They cannot reverse deep tissue changes जैसे tissue sagging या फिर structural imbalance. On the other hand, surgical aesthetic treatments like facelifts, rhinoplasty, liposuction, body contouring are designed for people who are looking for a more permanent or structural correction. These treatments, they work on deeper layers of the body, जैसे fat, muscle or bone support, to restore tissue harmony and structural balance. सर्जरी में ज़्यादा रिकवरी टाइम लगता है, येस, बट इट डज गिव यू लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिजल्ट्स. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट चेंजिंग हु यू आर, but it is about restoring your confidence and helping you to feel yourself again. Choosing between non-surgical and surgical managements isn't about what's trending. It is about what is medically right for you. At Vrindavan Hospital, you will be assessed in detail regarding your treatment plan. आपका एज, आपका स्किन क्वालिटी, आपका मसल टोन, आपका मेडिकल हिस्ट्री, ये सब स्टडी करके आपके लिए एक ट्रीटमेंट प्लान कस्टमाइज किया जाता है. आवर गोल इज़ नॉट टू मेक यू लुक डिफरेंट, इट इज़ टू मेक यू फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, बैलेंस्ड एंड नेचुरल. दैट ऑफन मिसलीड पीपल. मिथ 1, क्या फिलर सर्जरी को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? नो, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. फिलर्स वर्क ऑन सर्फेस वॉल्यूम, but they cannot lift muscles or correct deep tissue sagging. Myth 2, surgery is unsafe. Modern plastic surgery, when performed by a qualified and certified plastic surgeon, is extremely safe and it is planned under strict protocols. Real risk तब होती है जब ऐसी procedures unqualified या cosmetic only setup से करवाई जाती हैं, जहाँ पे procedures की जाती हैं without proper medical evaluation. I remember a patient in her 40s who had used fillers for almost 6 years. So when she came to us, she had this puffiness and uneven skin tone. We explained to her that her facial support had weakened beneath the fillers. We had to perform a minor facelift. She looked naturally firm again after the procedure within weeks, but more importantly, she gained her confidence back. So that is the goal of aesthetic medicine. Restoring your confidence, not chasing perfection. Before you decide on any treatment, remember every face, every body, every story is different. Choose what is right for you, safely, scientifically, and confidently. Take care of yourself. Remember, confidence begins when you choose awareness over assumptions.